My name is Alfred. I am come from Bombay. I used to work in on a ship. I was on a ship for around 3 months, 3.5 months, and suddenly I got a back pain. I work in the kitchen. I carry a lot of heavy things. So I got a back pain. I used to take painkillers for nearly 1.5 month. I used to be on painkillers with severe pain, but still I used to work. A day came when I couldn't get up from my bed. I couldn't even shift my body sideways also. My legs were totally paralyzed, you can say. I couldn't move. Doctor came, doctors, all my friends, they used to take care of me. Nearly 5 days I was on the bed. So the doctors came and gave me injections and all. Then they decided to send me back Bombay, back home. So I took another 3 painkillers before leaving, just to see, take care that I come safely, and like no one was there with me to come back home. So I took 3 painkillers. I came back home, and when I landed Bombay, I went to the company's doctor and all. They took a lot of money, but no use. They didn't cure me or something like that. I started getting more pain. My legs started getting numb, and my another feet used to really prick me so bad I couldn't even walk.
So burning pain,
Yeah,
burning pricking pain on the sole of the foot.
Sole of the foot, and I couldn't walk. But still, I used to walk. I can't tell my mom that I'm not well and all, but I felt so bad about it that I thought that my life is gone. I can't do anything. The doctor said that if I have to get any other jerk or lift any heavy other things or something like that, he said that I'll get paralyzed. So I said that that's it. I can't do anything more. But still, by the grace of God, I said that anything happens to me, I will go back. But my friend who stays in Goa, he met me one day on the phone, and he told me that there is a doctor over here. You come and show the doctor. I said I have tried everything, so why not try this? I said. So I came down to Goa. I showed the doctor about I told the doctor about my problem. Before I even telling him anything, he just told me that it was like nothing for me. I will cure it. It's 100% cure. So I was so surprised. Like all the doctors in the world says that nothing can happen. You have to go under surgery later on. But this doctor told me like it's curable, 100% curable. So I said okay, fine, I'll try this. So I tried all this and all, and then after 4 days or 5 days of treatment, I was totally relaxed. I didn't have any pain under my foot. I had a bit of pain, but it went off. In 2 months or so of treatment, I'm really fit and fine. I can do anything, and I'm deciding to go back now.
So you are not totally cured.
Yeah, I'm
no
totally
pain,
cured.
nothing.
No pain at all.
Totally, you are feeling free.
Yeah.
You are also now traveling up and down from Mapsa also.
Yeah, Mapsa.
Without any problem.
Without any problem.
So you are totally happy.
Totally happy.
So because this type of case, it is said it is not curable, and you must go under surgery and all.
Yes.
But and then still also there is no chance, and now after our treatment in our center, you are feeling now totally absolutely normal.
I'm totally fine and absolutely fine. I only praise my friend and my God, and this doctor is standing in front of me who cured me. That's it. I don't have to say anything else.
You want to give any comments or anything like?
I just have to say that people have to believe when they come here that the doctor is going to do something to them. It's just not fake, they say. There are many doctors on the world, they say nothing, but when you come here you realize what is the problem, he really cures you. It's not that he's saying it for the sake of saying it. It happens that once you come down here you will find out what's the exact problem happening to you, and he will exactly tell you how long it's going to take you to cure, and he's surely going to cure you. That's what I have to say.
Okay, thank you very much.
होय होय दोतोर
तुका कितें सांगपाचें आहा
होय एकदम फशी म्हाजो चेडो बरो जालो पळय आनी दुसरोय भायर आसलेलो तेजे 10 वर्सां जाली तो एकदम सीक आसलेलो
एन्क्लोजिंग स्पॉन्डिलायटीस जालें
होय फाट दुखताली तेजी 10 वर्सां जाली तो हो वखद पियेतालो तान तो रावतालो आतां तो येयलो म्हणटकच रोखडोच भायर सान येयलो तो आनी दुसरे दिसा तेका घेवन येयली हिंगासर हो धाकटो बरो जाला म्हणून तेकाय घेवन येयली आनी तो एकदम बरो आहा आतां
तुका पयलीं हाजें खूब टेन्शन जालें न्ही
एकदम टेन्शन आनी एकदम हांव सारकें desperate जालेलें तेज्या पासून तेज्या धाकट्या पासून कित्याक तितलो हेंग आनी जाता म्हणून आनी हांव जाणा जाली हो बरो जालो आनी तेकाय घेवन येयली तो बरो जालो आनी म्हाजे पांयाच्यो दिंब्यो बऱ्यो नासल्यो म्हाजे बऱ्यो जाले एकाच हितून बऱ्यो जाले
एकाच कोर्सान
एकाच पिन मारलेली आनी तो म्हाका हें दिलेलो तो लायट दिलेली पळय तितून हांव बरी जाली उबी जाली हांव एकदम ग्रेट तुका लागून तूं आनी देवा कारगां दिता की तुवें आमकां बरी गेली आनी देवा कारगां कित्याक आमी बरी जाली म्हणून इतलेंच आनी कांय ना.
ओके, सो यू आर हॅपी नाव.
आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी.
ओके, तुका आनी लोकांक कितें सांगपाचें आसा हाजेर?
हांव सांगता कित्याक लोक जायते पाट मानिना, मानूंक जाय हिंगासर येवन, कित्याक पळोवंक जाय पयलें कशें पळय तें आनी बरोसो धरूंक जाय न्हू, आनी करूंक जाय आनी पळोवंक जाय. बरी जाता म्हण हांव जाणा, कित्याक म्हाजो एकलो जालो, दुसरो जालो आनी हांवूय जालें.
ओके,
इतलेंच. ओके,
थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
थँक्यू सर.